Hey health enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a question that's been on everyone's minds. Is Gatorade a hydration hero or a health hazard? Stick around, because this is something you don't want to miss. Gatorade was created back in 1965 to help athletes replace fluids and electrolytes lost during intense exercise. Fast forward to today, and it's not just athletes gulping it down, everyone from kids to office workers are chugging it. But is it as beneficial for you as they claim? Let's start with the good stuff. Gatorade is packed with water, sugar, sodium, and potassium, which can help you rehydrate and refuel after a sweaty workout. The sugar gives you a quick energy boost, while the electrolytes, especially sodium, help replace what you lose through sweat. Sounds great, right? But there's a big but. If you're not an athlete or someone who exercises intensely, Gatorade's high sugar and salt content might do more harm than good. Regular consumption can contribute to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular issues. Yep, you heard that right. For folks with pre-existing conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure, the high sugar and salt can worsen these issues. Too much sugar can mess with your insulin levels, and too much salt can spike your blood pressure. Not exactly what you need, right? So, what's the bottom line? If you're an athlete or just finished an intense workout, Gatorade can be a good way to rehydrate. For everyone else, maybe stick to water and a balanced diet. Got thoughts on this? Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation going. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Stay hydrated, but stay smart. Catch you next time.